Are you able to see the board? जजमेंट घ्या ऑन करा ते लावा ना तुम्ही ओके कॅमेरा ऑन केला रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट केलं डिविजन ए सर बघा एवढं दिसतं बापरे एवढं दिसते ते पाठवून होऊ शकतो बोर्ड ही कर बघा तुमचा मोबाईल लेफ्ट 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 आणखी लेफ्ट हा थोडं इकडे आणखी थोडं आणखी थोडं हा इकडे राईट थोडं आणखी थोडं आणखी आता फक्त सांगा तिकडे आणखी पहिली लाईन का थोडा अजून थोडं डिस्टन्स असं ते असं What was last part? Last part क्या होता? What was the last part? थोड़ा से ही लावले जोरा. Taylor's theorem, type number 2. We solved 2 examples. One example. अच्छा, next example. Taylor's theorem, type number 2, example number 2. Write down. So what was the first example? Expand in ascending powers of x. That was the example. Na? X minus 2 raised to something was there. Right? Okay. We'll go through one more example. Write down. Expand in ascending powers of x. Expand in ascending powers of x. 5 plus 4 x minus 1. See whether this example was given for whole part. X minus 1 square minus 3 x minus 1 cube plus x minus 1 raised to 4. This is to be expanded in powers of x. Solution. Write with me. Given. I had to write it here. Those who are online, please try to understand or listen and then write it. So this is equal to f of x minus 1 equal to given, right? X minus 1 is repeated, x minus 1 raised to 2, x minus 1 cube, x minus 1 raised to 4. Therefore, f of x minus 1 equal to. Okay? Then write down. Now we have to use Taylor's statement. Okay, so according to Taylor's theorem, f of x plus h equal to. f of x plus h equals. Now see towards board, understand first. See what we want. We want. जर कोणी जर मोबाईल ऑन कर, जर मोबाईल ऑन कर, ते दिसते की नाही तुम्हाला समजत नाही. Join. Just 2 minutes. Those who are online. फक्त बोर्ड दिसतोय की नाही मला सांगायचं.
हो सर कंप्लीट दिसतोय.
डन डन डन. ओके ओके. हाँ ठीक है. Okay. So right, according see to what board, understand. Our aim is to get expansion in powers of x. So x raised to 0, x raised to 1. Okay. X square divided by 2 factorial. Right. Then x cube divided by 3 factorial. Right. Then x raised to 4 by 4 factorial. And so on. Actually, so on is not required here. Why not required? Highest degree term is x raised to 4. Therefore, you have to find expansion of x raised to 4 only. Right. Now, h is constant. Therefore, constant will be f of h, f dash of h, f double dash of h, f triple dash. Now you write. Write it. Fourth derivative at h. Okay, and so on. Then comparing. See what is to be compared. These two terms are to be compared. F of, write it fast. Yes, we have to compare these two. Okay, so x minus 1 is to be compared with x plus h. So what is the conclusion? H is equal to minus 1. Okay, substitute h equal to minus 1 in above equation. So f of x minus 1 equal to f of minus 1 plus x f dash of minus 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial f double dash of minus 1 plus x cube divided by 3 factorial f third derivative at minus 1 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial fourth derivative of f at minus 1 and so on. Write this as equation number 1. Value of h is substituted. Now our aim is to find f of minus 1, f dash of minus 1, f double dash, f triple dash, f fourth derivative. Okay. So right, says f of x minus 1 equal to that already given in example. Now while writing, I am writing the highest degree term first for simplification. X minus 1 raised to 4 minus 3x minus 1 raised to 4. You can write as it is also, there is no any problem. Plus 4 x minus 1 square plus 5. This is f of x minus 1. What will be f of h? Mechanical. F of h. Just you have to replace x minus 1 by h. So h raised to 4 minus 3h cube plus 4h square plus 5. Find f dash. Find f double dash. Third derivative. Fourth derivative. And then fifth derivative. Probably will be not required. So first derivative 4h cube minus 9h plus 8. 9h square plus 8. 8h. Second derivative 12h square minus 18h plus 8. 24x minus 18. 24. What about the next derivative? 0. Okay. In front, all derivatives are very good. Now our aim is to get f of minus 1. F dash of minus 1. Please do it yourself. F double dash of minus 1. F triple dash of minus 1. F fourth derivative at minus 1. And fifth derivative 0 is not required, right? Yes, find it. So I will also help you at least to find q values 24. Then h is minus 1, minus 24, minus 18, minus how much is it? Minus 42. Check this. Tell me the remaining values. F double dash 38 plus 38. Minus 31. 21. Okay. First one. 13 plus 31. Good. Check your answers. 30 minus 21, 38 minus 42 and 24. So now these values are to be substituted in equation number 1. Okay, start. This step. Substituting above values in equation number 1. Substituting above values in equation number 1. This is equation number 1. I'm making the required changes. F of minus 1 x, f dash of minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, let me substitute. So f of minus 130 plus x minus 21 plus x square divided by 2 factorial is 2. Okay, that is 38 plus x cube divided by 6, that is minus 42 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial is 24. What about the next value? 0, huh? Don't write dot dot dot. 0. So the answer is, right final answer, f of x minus 1 in ascending powers of x is 13 minus 21x plus 19x square minus 7x cubed plus x raised to 4. This is the answer. See whether you are getting this answer. Next example. Expand written. Can you go to the next example? Only few steps of next example we will write. Remaining steps they are homework for you. Okay, so right. Expand. Third example. Expand. Right. Expand. Log of tan of x plus pi by 2 in ascending powers of x. In ascending powers of x. Okay, so right. Solution given, right, given the f of, what is to be written? X plus pi by 4. Right. F of x plus pi by 4 equal to tan of x plus pi by 4. Below that written down. According to Taylor's theorem, f of x plus h equal. So beyond expansion in powers of x, so x raised to 0, x square divided by 2 factorial.
F फक्त आहे सर.
ये दिसत नाही
F
आता दिसते
सर.
थोडं कॅमेरा यूज करायचं नाही त्याची ते थोडंसं कॅमेरा आहे ना स्थिर नाही आहे ठीक आहे ओके फोटोस इनफॅक्ट बराच काळ दिसतो okay let me continue plus we'll find these terms only for this exam if it is exam it is asked to find expansion of the x cube we'll find expansion of 2x cube but probably exam will be online okay so online question set will be provided to you maybe today only okay so this will be f of h f dash of h f double dash of h okay compare these two comparing x plus pi by 4 and comparing these two and x plus h what is the conclusion h is equal to pi by 4 substitute that here so f of x plus pi by 4 equal to f of pi by 4 plus x f dash of pi by 4 plus x square divided by 2 factorial f double dash of pi by 4. Right. Equation number 1. Right here, f of x plus h. What is that? Log of tan of x plus pi by 4. Okay, therefore, at f of h log of tan of h. h is not hyperbolic, huh? h यहाँ पे जो हमने लिखा है that is not hyperbolic. Okay, then find f dash log 1 upon tan. And what is derivative of tan? Derivative of tan is so इसको सिंपलीफाई कर सकते हैं कैन वी सिंपलीफाई दिस in terms of sin and cos tan is sin by cos na so cos hyperbolic let me check this whether it is possible sin hyperbolic into sec is 1 upon cos square 1 upon cos square h cos can be cancelled then what will remain 1 upon this is okay 1 upon sin h cos h. Right, and what is 2 sin h cos h? 2 sin theta cos theta? Sin 2 theta. Sin 2h. And that can be written as 2 cosec h. Cosec 2h. Sorry. Cosec 2h. Yeah, understood that? Clear? Everything clear? Why we are simplifying? Actually, for this step, it is not required to simplify. To find the next derivative is required. Again, you can keep as it is and you can find it. That is also okay. Ultimately, our aim is to get f double dash of pi by 4. Find by your own method. No problem. You keep as it is and you differentiate, find it. No problem. Or you simplify in this way and then find it. Okay. No problem. Okay. Okay. Then one more derivative is required. I'll write it here. One more derivative is required. So f double dash. What is derivative of cosec? Minus cosec cot. Right? So 2 as it is. 2 as it is. Derivative of cosec is minus cosec 2h cot 2h into derivative of 2h 2 na okay Getting everyone? Derivatives. Now in front of this write down f of h is pi by 4, so f of pi by 4. So log of tan of pi by 4. What is tan of pi by 4? 1. Log of 1. Isn't it? What is log of 1? 0. Alright. Tan of pi by 4 is 1. And log of 1 is 0. Okay. Then f dash of 1. F dash of pi by 4. Sorry. F dash of pi by 4. Here it is 2 cosec 2h. Right? So 2 into pi by 4. So pi by 2. What is cosec pi by 2? 1. Sin pi by 2 is 1 na? What is 1 by 1? 1 only. So 2 value is 1 and to be multiplied by 2. So 1. Getting everyone? Or for this type of values you can use calcium. You are allowed to use the scientific calcium. Anyone buy the calcium? Anyone is having the calcium? नवीन घेतलाय का? ती जुना आहे 11 12 चा. कॅसिओचा आहे, इज इट ऑफ कॅसिओ? काय त्याचं घ्यायचं? 991 FX आहे का? Those who want to buy the calcium, 991 FX calcium is to be buy. You can buy it after maybe 1 month. Better buy it as early as possible. This is the calcium 991 FX. आणि काय ऍडव्हान्स असेल तर बघा FX 991 ES plus. This is the name of calcium. Casio. Price 900. 900 or less than that. Maybe 700, 500. To bargain it. Okay. So M double dash of pi by 4. So this 2 and this 2 are 4. So minus 4 cosec pi by 2. I am writing it directly now. Okay. Cot pi by 2. Acha, what is tan pi by 2? Infinity. Tan pi by 2 infinity na? So it will be cot pi by 2?
0.
1 upon infinity. 0. So this will become 0. Right? Whatever the value of cosec, 1. 1 into 0 into this minus 4. 0. Okay. Yes. So now we have to substitute these 3 values. These 3 values. This is the first value. This is the second value. This is the third value in the equation number 1. Leave some space. Please do it yourself. Please do it yourself. Then next, type number 3. Type number 3. Solve one example of type number 3. Right? What is remaining now in this example? You have to substitute these 3 values in equation number 1. That's it. Okay? Please do the remaining part yourself. Okay. Right up next, type number 3 in the Taylor's theorem. Use Taylor's theorem. This is mentioned explicitly. Use Taylor's theorem. Right. Use Taylor's theorem to find approximate value of. Use Taylor's theorem to find approximate value of root of 9.12. Root of 9.12. Okay, sir. Solution. Construct a function as. You want to construct a new function. Construct a function as. Right. F of x plus h equal to root of x plus h. F of x plus h equal to root of x plus h. Right? Where x equal to 9.12 na? So x equal to 9 and h equal to 0.12. X equal to 9 and h equal to 0.12. Okay. Now according to Taylor's theorem, right? According to Taylor's theorem. Let me ask you one question. Just you write according to Taylor's theorem and then we'll decide which statement of Taylor's theorem is to be used. Okay. We have f of x plus h. Two different statements are there. They are like this. See, they are like this. One is like this. F of x plus h, that is equal to f of h plus x f dash of h plus x square divided by 2 factorial f double dash of h and so on. Right. So question is whether we should use this statement or whether we should use, let me write another statement also. F of x plus h equal to f of x plus h f dash of x plus x square divided by 2 factorial f double dash of h f double dash of x and so on. One more term. अच्छा बताइए आप, tell me which statement is to be used or what will happen if we use statement number say 1 and statement number 2. Simple. You deal with the h powers only, huh? So see, here we have x. So what is x here? 9, right? Here we have x square. So this will become 81. In next step it will become 9, 7, 29. Some number will be there. So these numbers are increasing. So is it possible to terminate this expansion somewhere? See, when we terminate the expansion, see, root of 9.12. What your prediction is? What will be the answer? Root of 9 is known to us, right? Suppose I have just root of 9. I know the answer. That is 3. So answer will be 3 point something. 0, 0, 1, 3, 9. Like this. Getting everyone? So I want answer near the 3. Whereas if I consider x square, x cube, x raised to 4, see the numbers are increasing. 9, 81, 329. No doubt. The corresponding this number will be smaller. Right? Now this number will be smaller now. Right? But these numbers are increasing. It will be better. Understand what I am saying? It will be better if both the numbers are decreasing. Say for example, this is 0.9. Say this is 0.81. Say this is 0.729. This number is also smaller. Then their multiplication will be again smaller. For example, their multiplication will be like this. Say this is first number is 3, next is 0.1, next is say 0.0023, next is say 0.000056. Getting that? So we can terminate the expansion here on. Since these numbers are very small, no need to consider these remaining numbers. Better to consider these numbers. Are you getting this? Let me complete everything. Okay? Then ask me the doubts. Okay? So, in simple words, now we understood that we don't want 9, 81, 7, 29 since the numbers are increasing there. Whereas in this case, see what will happen. H, what the H is? 0.12. Right? Next is x square. What the x square is? 0.0144. 12 square 144. Right? Next number will be, for example, 0.000273 like this. Number is decreasing. Right? Now we'll see what will happen with this f of x. We'll see that. But at least I think you might have understood the concept now. The number which is smaller one, that is h. So we want powers of h. So that we get more approximate answer. Are you getting it? See, very simple. Simple. See, at this moment, concentrate on the powers of x, x square, x cube. So what x is? 9. So it will be 9, 9 square, 9 cube. What the last number will be? Infinity, in fact. Right now? 9 raised to 100, that will be a very big number. Clear? Whereas, if I consider h, powers of h is 0.12. 0.12 square, 0.12 raised to 10, that will be a very small number. Okay? So since we want small numbers, so that we can terminate the expansion. It is not possible to consider infinite number of terms. We can consider 5 terms, 7 terms, 10 terms. Therefore, getting everyone? Therefore, we have to consider expansion in this way. Now your doubt is clear? Okay. Now we'll continue, and at the end I'll ask you doubt if you are any doubt. Okay. Let me continue. Okay. Start. Considering Taylor's theorem, as those who are online, please understand it. Considering Taylor's theorem as considering Taylor's theorem as like this. Like this. So right, substitute the value of x and h. So f of timing you can f of x plus as it is f of x f of time plus h is 0.12 f dash of 9 plus 0.12 square divided by 2 factorial is 2 f double dash of 9 plus h cube 0.12 cube divided by 3 factorial size equal dash of 9 and so on. Write this as equation number 1. Okay, then done. Here f of x plus h is known to us, root of x plus h. Therefore, we want f of x now. So f of x will be root of x, isn't it? F dash of x 1 upon 2 root x f double dash of x, find derivatives x raised to if you're not able to see, you can sit here, you can change your place. Whenever required, you can change your place, no need to inform. But don't sit on the last page. If you are sitting on the first page, you are not allowed to change your place so that you will sit on the last page. If you are on last page and if you want to come to the first page, you are allowed. Find the derivatives, do it yourself. So how many? 3 derivatives are required. So x raised to, which is 2x raised to minus half now. So, 2 is it now? So minus 1 upon 4, minus half, minus 1 upon 4. So x raised to minus 3 by 2 divided by 4. And minus 10 will be there, negative sign. One more derivative is required. I don't have space. Please find it yourself. Or I will write it here. No any problem. F third derivative. So minus 3 by 2, minus plus. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4 x raised to minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now find f of 9, root of 9, 3. Find f dash of 9, that is 1 upon 6. You can find decimal point, 0 point, whatever it is, 17 something.
Sir, we don't have to write plus or minus.
We don't have?
Root
Yes,
of 9 plus or minus 3.
No. Here where this is positive.
Sir,
We
that
know,
f triple dash x is
No.
right.
Okay, whatever you are saying mathematically it is correct, but we know that x is 9, na? Root of 9 we are finding. We are not finding square. 3 by half, 3 by 8.
Sir, f triple dash is 3 by 9. 3 by 8.
8, yeah. 3 by 8, sorry. Okay. Then next, where we are here. Next, f double dash of 9. So, minus 1 upon 4 and 9 raised to 3 by 2. So, square root is 3 square is 27, 27 into 4 is 108. 108? Is it 108? Check this. Acha, you find the last value. So it will be like this. I have to write it here. F triple dash of 9. So 3 divided by 8, 9 raised to 5. So like this. Achha, not with it. Okay. So f triple dash of 9 I find. So 3 divided by 8, 9 raised to half. 3 raised to 5. What is 3 raised to 5? Please do it yourself. Use calculus for that and you take the decimal number. Take the decimal. Please do it yourself. Can anyone tell me what are the corresponding decimal numbers? Those having calculus. You have calculus. So 1 upon 6. 4 decimal places. Point 1667. Okay. Minus 1 upon 108. Minus 0.009. One more digit. 2 or 5 is there, right? Fine. Okay, what about this? 3 divided by 8 into 3 raised to 5. We can cancel 1, 3. 0.00. Yes. Fast. I want to start with this new topic. Acha, you do it yourself, huh?
0.001.
1,
156.
156. 2 zeros, na? Acha. Then write down. Hope everyone is getting these values. Sakshi, you got the answer? Final answer? No. Okay. You got the final answer. Very good. Those who understand it, you can find final answer. Don't have to wait for anyone. Okay. Substituting values in equation number 1. F of x plus h and substituting directly. F of 9 is 3 plus 0.12. Okay. Then f dash of 9 0.1667 plus next is this value 0.12 square divided by 2 into f double dash of 9 minus of 0.0092 plus 0.12 cube divided by 3 factorial 6 into 0.00156 and so on. We cannot terminate it here. If you want, you can find the remaining values also. Not required. Yes, what the answer is? Answer? Understood? Any doubt here? Okay. Answer? Who got the answer? Let me check whether I have the answer. Let me check. No, I don't have the answer. Sorry. What the answer is? No. Snake up. Name. I have to also use mask now. Very difficult. Better I will stay here. Okay, you find answer. What else? Who is getting the answer? Use mobile if you don't have cash. But for use it for calculations. Achha, can you do the remaining part yourself? Please. Next item. Next topic. Next topic. Thank you. Right. Few examples for homework. So find, expand, right? Expand. How do you write? Find expansion of one. I'm saying. Expand. Homework. Expand log of cos x about x equal to pi by. Log of cos x about x equal to pi by. Okay. Then next, expand. I think we consider this example tan inverse x in powers of x minus 1. If consider, no need to write it. If not, in powers. Expand tan inverse x in powers of x minus 1. Then allow. Use Taylor's theorem to find 25 root of 25.15. Last, use Taylor's theorem to find tan inverse 1.003 up to 4 decimal places. Tan inverse 1.003 up to 4 decimal places. Two separate notebooks are required, one for the classwork, one for the homework. Okay, hope everyone is having the two separate notebooks. Okay, right. Next, how much time we have? 20 minutes still. The lecture is up to 10:40. How much time is there? 30 minutes. Very good. Acha, only 10 minutes. Okay, no problem. Write down. Next topic. Indeterminate, which cannot be determined. Indeterminate form. Indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms. Written definition. A form, mathematical form again. A form whose value cannot be decided or determined. A form whose value cannot be determined is known as indeterminate form. A form whose value cannot be determined is known as indeterminate form. In this topic, our aim is to study. In this topic, our aim is to study 7 indeterminate forms. 7 different indeterminate forms, sir. 7 indeterminate forms. They are They are 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0, 1 raised to infinity, 1 infinity, 0 infinity. 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0, 1 raised to infinity. We'll define one of them and then we'll see what to do. Okay? Start. 0 by 0 form. Definition. 0 by 0 form. Right? 0 by 0 form. Right. Suppose limit of f of x as x tends to a equal to 0. Limit of f of x as x tends to a equal to, and limit of g of x as x tends to a equal to 0. Both of them. Limit of f of x, limit of g of x as x tends to a equal to 0. They limit of f of x divided by g of x as x tends to a takes 0 by 0. Then this will be 0 by 0. Right? F of a will be 0. G of a will be 0. And we cannot do like this, huh? 0 by 0 means cancel 0, 0 and it is 1. I think everyone knows this. This is not question. Okay, now question is how to solve this. Yeah, I think you know how to solve it, right? How it is solved? Which rule is used to solve this type of limits?
LO
Correct. Absolutely. But do you know the proof of that L'Hopital's rule or L'Hopital's rule? You study that. Okay. So see towards board, not part of the syllabus, and then you have to write the proof. You have to write the rule only. Okay. But better we'll understand. Okay. So see what we have. See towards board and understand. You don't have to write anything. Okay. Just understand. I have limit like this. Limit f of x divided by g of x. X tends to a. And what I know that f of a equal to 0 as well as g of a equal to 0. So if I substitute x equal to a, what I get? 0 by 0. Na? So in front of this I am writing 0 by 0. But in previous topic, Taylor's and Maclaurin's theorem, what we studied, if we have a function f of x which can be expanded in ascending powers of x, then expansion can be written as, can be written like this, limit x tends to a. F of x may be written as f of, I want expansion in powers of x minus a. So x minus a raised to 0, x minus a, next tell me what will be the next term, x minus a square divided by 2 factorial, x minus a cube divided by 3 factorial. Getting everyone? Okay. Now what will be the coefficients? F of, yes, a, f dash of a, right? F double dash of a, and so on. In the same way, we can write g of x also. So that will be g of a plus x minus a, g dash of a plus x minus a square divided by 2 factorial, g double dash of a, and so on. Understood? But what do we know about f of a? What is f of a? 0. Right? What is g of a? 0. Right? So these two terms are not there. What we can take common from numerator and denominator now? क्या common ले सकते हैं? X minus a ले सकते हैं ना? Okay. So what will remain? Limit x tends to a. I am taking x minus a common from numerator. Then what will remain? क्या बाकी रहेगा? F dash of a. Right? Then x minus a, instead of square order will remain x minus a only, isn't it? Divided by 2 factorial, f double dash of a. Then what will be the next term? Can you elaborate it? What will be the next term? X minus a square divided by 3 factorial. Actually not required here, but we should understand it. That this term is getting everyone? Divided by. I am taking x minus a common from denominator also. So what is remaining? G dash of a plus x minus a divided by 2 factorial, right? G double dash of a, right? Then x minus a cube divided by 3 factorial, G triple dash of a, and so on. Can I cancel these two terms? Yes.
X minus a.
Yes, this one. This one only. Okay, correct. No doubt. Now suppose I substitute x equal to a. No change here. These two terms will remain as it is. What about the next term? If I substitute x equal to a here, a minus a will be 0. This term will become 0. This term will become 0. In fact, all the terms will become 0. If I substitute x equal to a, if I substitute the limit, okay? Here also, this term will become 0. This term will become 0. Remaining all terms will become 0. And what will remain at the end? F dash of a divided by g dash. Getting everyone? Understood? This is the L'Hospital's rule. This is the L'Hopital's rule. What the rule is? Whenever we have 0 by 0 form, limit of f of x divided by g of x as extends to a equal to f dash of a divided by g dash. Understood? Now it may possible that this f dash of a, this f dash of a equal to 0 as well as, I am saying as well as, means both of them are equal to 0. Then what should be done? Now from remaining terms, if this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. Can we take x minus a square common? In previous case, this was 0. I am saying that this is 0 as well as f dash of a equal to 0 as well as g dash of a. All these four quantities are 0. Okay, so now this will become 0. This will become 0, isn't it? So now what I can take common? X minus a square from numerator as well as denominator. What will remain here? Say I can take 1 upon 2 factorial also common. Okay, so I will remain with this term. Instead of square, this will be 1. Some number will be there. Say 2, 3, whatever. Okay, 3 here. And so on. Right? Now if I substitute x equal to a, I'll cancel this. Now if I substitute x equal to 0, this term and remaining all terms will become 0. In the same way, this term and remaining all terms will become 0. And what will remain? F double dash of a divided by g double dash. Getting? Now it may possible that this term is also 0. Yeah. This term is also equal to 0. This term is also 0. Then what will be the answer? Triple. Getting or not? It may possible that these two terms are 0. 4 getting anyone? Okay, start. No need to write the book. Not required anywhere. H is actually silent. I think German mathematicians, L'Hopital's, but usually we say L'Hopital's. We take the L'Hopital's to hospital. L'Hopital's, start L'Hopital's rule. So write down. It is applicable for 0 by 0 form. Okay, it is applicable for infinity by infinity form also, but we will write it afterwards. Okay, so according to the rule. Okay. कितना टाइम? अरे बाकी है टाइम मैडम? अरे हो गया टाइम. Attendance आप ले लेंगे? Attendance will be taken by ma'am. So 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 35 plus 11 is 46. Okay. Thank you. We'll continue tomorrow. यार काय कोणतं बेटर आहे ते आपण त्या स्लेट वर घेतो ते बेटर आहे आणि बोर्डवरच बेटर आहे तुम्ही आता उद्या येणार ना उद्या येतो थोडं स्लो चाललंय आता आय विल इन्क्रीज द स्पीड आता काय करायचंय व्हॉट आय एम एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम यू एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन सेट विल बी शेअर विथ यू ते सर्व सॉल्व करायचं आहे कारण एक्झाम एमसीक्यू सोल्यूशन आहे exam will be the part of MCQs. And there is always difference between what we are teaching here and MCQ. थोड़ा सा difference असतो. कारण MCQ मध्ये खूपच सोपे क्वेश्चन असतात आणि थोडेसे कन्सेप्ट. Whereas in case of offline exam, you have to solve the whole exam, where concepts are not so much important. Getting that? So MCQ question set, I will prepare it today and I will share it with you. Then start studying MCQs also. क्या सजेशन है? नहीं किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया.